Are you trying to create professional videos without complicated editing? Are you looking for a fast AI tool that does most of the work for you? Today I'm going to show you how to access and use Google Vids step by step. So first we have to go to Google's homepage where we are, and now look at the top right corner. Okay, here do you see that nine dot icons? That's the Google Apps toolbox. Okay, so from here, you'll see different Google tools. Since Google Vids, it's a part of a Google ecosystem created by Google, it appears inside this app section for eligible accounts. So we can access it through clicking here, and it will take some time to load. And here you'll see a new page of the Google Vids official website. Okay, so you can see that you can select the orientation of your video. I can select portrait, squares, and landscape. Okay, so well, let it load, and you can convert slides, also record, upload, use templates, storyboards, Veo 3.1, which is the premium version of it, and AI Avatar, which is also a premium version. Okay, so let it load, and now it appears. You can select the orientation, and in the portrait orientation you only have three of them. You cannot convert slides or use templates and so on. So it is for content creators who do not want very long time of editing. They don't have much stock images, so they have to just choose storyboards from here, which will create a video outline complete with the stock media and an AI voiceover. That's what all we want. Okay, so you can select the storyboard and write what do you want. So here I will enter a short prompt that create a short promotional video for a new AI tool. Okay, named. So we have to just enter Chrono, my channel name, or any of your idea can be in your prompt. Okay, so it is just an example. Chronobytes official AI chatbot. Okay, so from here I am briefly explaining it that what is Chronobyte. Chronobyte is a YouTube channel focusing on tech. Okay, so from here we can wait a minute. Let me fix the grammar mistake. Okay, so here we would go hit next, and it will generate the outline of the video. What would it say? We can edit it, and we can change the title of this outlines. It is just like the time lapse we get in the videos. Okay, so if we click next, and another thing to show you that you can also regenerate it by clicking here, an option comes try again. Okay, so you can change all of it by just clicking the this edit option. Okay, tired of searching for tech answers? I will search for informative answers. Okay, informative, and I'll just click outside the box. Okay, so you can add a scene from here, and anything else you want. You would hit next, and here you would get templates for your AI promotional video. Okay, so I would see that I want this type of video. It is good and very reachable. It is just an example. Okay, so it would be the video, it would be the draft video. Okay, so as I'm doing it out, let me tell you that Google Vids is from Google. Okay, now we can customize everything from here, editing the text, adjust visuals, add images, and even enable AI voiceover if we don't want to record our own voice. Okay, so it has also given us the template. Okay, so I would keep the video, and you can see that the music is from Shutterstock, and the voiceover is AI generated. The things are Google Slides generated, and just play enter. Let us see the result. Okay, now you can see that the results are very, very much impressive. Okay, so it also gives us the intro and outro, the fade in, and anything the transitions between the slides. Okay, we can download it by clicking here. Okay, you can export it to Drive. You can download it as an MP4. As an MP4, the thing would be like a voice, and with the I think it's a video. Okay, so we can edit the text from here. You can just select it by here, and Chromobyte. No, my channel name is. I will ignore all. Okay, you can text the channel or the AI chatbot name, which is chat Chronobyte chatbot. Okay, I was asking for Chronobyte. Okay, so you can see the timings that where the things comes. Okay, so I'm hiding the timing for now. You can change the transitions from here, which is you can add a dissolve, you can add a push, you can add a fade, and many more. Okay, so you can also adjust the length of the every video. Okay, so here it given us the. So I am very much impressed by Google Vids. It is for the new viewers and the new channel creators who want to make their channels intro, outro, videos, but it is for a sidekick. It is not the main purpose of editing. Okay, so make sure that you can use it for making videos, for intros, for short ads, for making an outro, for making such a kind of content that you can't do professionally. Okay, so here I would download it as MP4, and here it will download it. You can also change the color of the slides. Okay, from here you can also background. I see I can change it to green or the cyan color. I can change it to purple. I can change also into the this color. Okay, so it is pretty impressive, as I said before. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please tell me in the comments, would you use this for YouTube, school, or business projects? Subscribe the video, share the video, and also I will meet you in the next time.